Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download QuickBooks app for desktop in QuickBooks Online account. It's gonna be very easy and simple steps. So first you can log into your QuickBooks Online account and then in the main dashboard, you can go to your settings in the top right corner here. Click the gear icon to open the settings and you will find get the desktop app. You can click on it. Then as you can see, work the way you want with the QuickBooks Online app. So you can just sign in and stay connected. So you can choose either Windows or Mac. I'm gonna choose the Windows here. And then you can download it to your computer. After you download it, you can just open the file and it's installing to your computer. And then you can just click allow. Now you can just log into your Intuit account and you can use the QuickBooks Online app. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.